you. And today I'm gonna be going over this Zury Naturalista curl. Now, it has already been 2 weeks, so I've already gotten my share out this hair. Before we get into this video, I'm actually in the middle of moving, so excuse the echo, excuse the noise. I just wanted to make sure I put this out for you guys so y'all got the full 411, okay? So I'm gonna throw in some clips of this and that, of how we got started up until where we're at right now.
Sound strut. Sound strut.
Update. It has now been 5 days. I normally don't do this, but I don't have my normal recording stuff with me because I'm in the middle of moving right now, so I'm kind of on the go and still trying to put it together for you guys. But anyway, yeah, it has been 5 days with this hair and I am so in love. I am so in love. The quality is soft. It feels natural. It blends in extremely well. So if you're one of those girls who wear the color 30 or the OT 30 or anything like that, if your hair color, your natural hair color is two-tone like mine, it's brown, it is just like incredible. Everybody is thinking this is my hair. Even my son, I told him to cut the hair in the back. And he was like, Mom, you're cutting your hair? I was like, yeah, I'm cutting my hair. It's so funny. But yes, blends extremely well. So I am so in love with this hair. So I'll be back with my next update.
Sound strut.
I'm gonna do a 360 like I always do. This is her. So this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm actually coming from work. So let me go ahead and pull this out. Now, the way I like to set up my videos is usually from week to week. Okay. Oof. Okay, so she is not done in no particular way. I've been wearing it up for the past 2 days. First off, the hair is beautiful. It's very, very soft and really mimics, I will say this one mimics about 4B hair. I'm not too good with the whole classifications of 4A, 4B, all of that, but I do know that it matched very well with my natural curl pattern. It matched very well, and I think I'm somewhere within like the 4A, 4B. So yeah, everybody thought this was my hair. It really looks very natural and it's very easy to install. It took me about an hour and a half to install this hair, so that was A1. They get an A+ for that. Throughout the time of this wear, I swear to you, I never tied my hair up. I didn't do any twists. I didn't put a bonnet on. Like I said, I'm in the middle of moving, so I needed a hair that was gonna move and work with me while I'm on the go. and it did all of that. I feel like sleeping on it also made it look even more natural and just blend even better with my hair. So I'm very, very happy about that. People really had to take a close look just to make sure that this wasn't my hair. So I'm gonna get all up in here. Now, as you see from my braid pattern, I did leave just a little bit of leave out around the front perimeter, just this front little part right here, in case I wanted to pull it up or leave it down. And as you can see, like, who could tell me this ain't my hair? Who can tell me that this ain't my hair? Period. Okay, so yeah, I really, really loved it. I love the length. I cut only a little bit just to frame around my face. In terms of matting or anything like that, hardly got any matting, and the fluffiness is just awesome. So you really don't need to do any detangling. Like, all I used was water, never used any mousse or anything, just water just to wake up the curls in the morning. That's pretty much it. So in terms of any cons, I really don't have any cons. Like, Zury has really got it when it comes to this Naturalista hair. I'm really excited to try more Zury hair because this one kind of set the bar. It is still soft right now. It feels very natural. It's movable. It's beautiful hair. And the fact that I didn't have to put anything in it, very low maintenance. I could still go on to wear this hair if I wanted to. I'm just ready to try something different. So that's the only reason I'm taking her out at 2 weeks. But other than that, I love this hair. I think it is so beautiful. It's just the right of bigness, just the right of fluffy volume. And this is everything that you would want to give now, you know, but yeah, very much loving it. Really, really love it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this Zury Naturalista hair. Let me know if you've tried it, if you've done any cute styles with it or anything like that. Let us know in the comment box below. And yes, ladies and gents, I will see y'all in my next video. All right.